R129 warning video. It has to do with what's right inside this fuel door here. After a heavy rain, just go out to your convertible SL and open up the fuel door. And look at that. Look at all that water sitting there. That drain right there is totally plugged. One of the problems with this, you'll get some rust down there, but also if you overfill and spill fuel in here, the fuel can get through the seal and get in the trunk, and you'll smell gas in the car. Now when I clean these out, I use my sunroof drain tool. You can just get a plastic tube and shove down in there, but this is the tool I use for cleaning sunroof drains, so I'm going to see how it works for this drain. I'm just going to shove it down in there. Whoa, look at that. It's really plugged. There we go. Right out the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to clean this up. You can see why this has gotten all dirty in here. Sometimes you wonder, why is that all dirty inside the fuel tank door? Well, this has obviously been plugged for a very long time. So there it is, folks. A short and sweet warning for you, not only R129 owners, but most Mercedes-Benzes that have fuel tank door drains. And while cleaning this up in here, I'm going to get to show you one of my favorite car detailing tools. You know, you can get a brush like this, but this kind of brush, it doesn't get down in around those bolt heads. It can't get around the lock assembly. You can get a smaller nylon brush like this, but it's stiff. And once again, I can't really get it in there and get it underneath the door and around these bolts. So this is the tool right here. It's just a cheap 1-inch paintbrush, sawed off. I call this my sawed off brush detailing tool. And this tool right here is probably one of the cheapest and most effective cleaning tools for these tight, irregular surfaces on the exterior of cars. So you watch this. I can just come right around here like this. I can get in behind the door. I can get right over the top of these bolts. And I'm going to rinse this off and do it again, and this will look like new when I'm done. Check that out. Looks new, and even the drain works again. So as long as I'm here, Matthew, let's check the gas door. Uh-oh. You're looking funny. What do you see there? We've got 2 plugged gas door drains in one day. Can you believe it? You know how to fix that, don't you, Matt?
Put a straw here and blow.
Yeah, or get your compressor out.
Get a big stick and blow right here.
If you want, I'll only charge you $3 to go ahead and show you how to detail this out. Looks, Matthew, like you got a new technique here.
Yeah, this is an old vintner trick. This $2 wine from Trader Joe's is actually...
Oh, look, it worked. It ate right through that algae.
That's the way to
and we've got water coming out on the ground.
Yeah, it's just $2.99 at Trader Joe's.
You're kidding me. That's only $2.99? So what do you think, folks? What are the odds that we would find the same problem on both the R129 and the W211 in one day?